how to open a YouTube channel in 2025 in very simple ways. In this program, we will tell you the steps one by one in a short and clear way. Follow us. I often see videos that say how to open a YouTube channel, but most of the videos are very complex and confusing, especially for beginners. But you can open a YouTube channel in an easy way, and you can easily open a YouTube channel. What are the basic things needed to open a YouTube channel? 1. Interest opening YouTube, and if we have the idea. Interest. 2. You favorite contents about what the videos you make are about and what they teach contents. 3. A simple phone, which is the same as my phone. To start with, you can also use computer if you have a phone. 4. Internet access. This means if we have Wi-Fi, but if we have the data, we can upload one video per day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn each step in an easy way. If you have any questions, where's the program? First, we will pay for our phone. Since I think most of us use it on our phone, I also use it on my phone. We can open our phone and open the Google Chrome application and download it from the App Store. After opening Google Chrome, we will write this in the search bar, and we will write www.youtube.com. After writing this, search results will come by clicking on the search icon, and there will be a list of followers who use the phone while there. There is one important thing that we need to do here, which is what you think. On our phone, when we open it, you'll see 3 dots on the top right. Just tap those 3 dots once, and when you click on it, the options will come down. Then, when you go down, there's an option called Desktop Site. There's a small box that opens from it. You can click on it and make it green by clicking on it. If it has already been edited, leave it and it will be on the desktop site first. What do you think is the benefit of doing this? This means that we can use the programs that come on the computer on our phone when we edit it. After we do this and return our phone to the desktop site, we will first write www.youtube.com in the search box, and it will return the results. From the results that come up, we will click on the YouTube website once. After that, it will take us to YouTube itself. Then pay close attention to me now. What are we going to do next? Now, if not on the top, then at the bottom of your phone, there is a profile icon. It is not a problem if it is on the top or bottom because the capacity of our phone is different. The profile icon on the right, that is your email address, may be the first thing we will click on at once. Then you will see the YouTube profile. Then you will see your email address. And on the second page, create a channel. We will click on the Create Channel once. When we click on it, 3 important things will appear. The first one is a picture, which is where we will put our channel's account picture. To save the photo that appears on our channel, we click on the photo icon once. When we click on it, 2 options will appear. The first option is camera, which means we can take a photo now and save it. The second option is gallery, which means we can choose a photo from our phone or computer. So, I have a photo that I have prepared for the channel. I will select it, and you can choose the photo that goes with your channel and wait until it says Photo Successful Uploaded. If so, it means it is done. The second thing to fill in is name, which is the name of our channel. If you want, you can write a name that goes with the project you want to do. For example, look at mine, AD Tech Sports and News, and then click the save icon at the top. The third thing to fill in is handle, which is nothing more than a simple nickname for your channel. Therefore, like the first one, fill in the searchable field that is related to your ownership. If the name is already owned by others, it will show a red mark. If there is a name that is already owned by others, you can edit it by adding or subtracting it. When the correction mark appears, click the save icon to save it. Finally, after filling these 3 basic things, you will see a text in blue color, Create Channel. We will click on it once. When we click on it, it will rotate in the place where we clicked. Within a few seconds, channel created will be said. So we have easily created our channel in these simple ways. Our dear viewers, after doing this, we have created a channel. We can post videos under 15 minutes. Our channel has been created, but there are things that we need to adjust in the settings. I will present it in another video in the settings. Put the video title you want me to make in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. YouTube channel, subscribe AD Tech Sports, and news channel, and become a family. Have a good time.
Maganu Ninki Ladoti, which mean God is with us.